element upload. Um, mm, upload. No, 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 no. Yeah, I think I'm still correct. What we do with our download? Let's check. I'm sorry, we need to check this. We do have what? Timers transfer. Yeah, we do have transfer here already. So our upload, what we do there in our uh, thing, valid upload amount. Yeah, we directly there. So we can do it like that as well. Download amount, where we set the download amount. Download amount, if we are setting it, we have a download amount. So download amount directly right there. And that will be our download amount. So when we are checking element upload, hmm, we didn't change it. I think this is the correct one. Instead of downloading download amount, we need to change this one remaining to be uploaded, because the download amount will be upload amount will be changed right about here. But we do have another param not specified inside instead of outside. Yes. Maybe we copy this. Okay. So when we download, when we have remaining to be uploaded, just write like 0 remaining to be, declare this somewhere. Yeah, we declare it right here. And then, if you do have, let's copy paste this one. Okay. Um, we check the uploaded somewhere here. Okay. So if we are limit reach, just turn it back. Uh, when we have the index, yeah, like parameter, we are setting it to directly to our uh, upload amount, which is download. Yeah, downloaded. Yeah, we don't have downloaded element. Why we are doing that? Yeah, we don't have downloaded yet, right? We don't have downloaded yet, so we can read. We can check the limit if we are on the top. So we are only checking the limit when we are in looping. That's why I skeptical with this as well. Uploaded element. So you're not uploaded. Oh yes. For uploaded, because you're for uploaded, you have the record that uploaded, right? So you have time to check. But for downloading, unless you can check the inventory, uh, like you download the limit, right? Download limit. So if you have, you can just remove it from your inventory. That's nonsense, right? Let's say you have a limit of 100, limit 100 um downloads, right? That's nonsense. For real. Oh man. Because you can just remove the element and download again. Oh no. We need to remove the download limit. Yeah. That's why maybe the first time I did this, I didn't put the limit. Because that's what will happen. Okay, so limit reach, we don't have limit. Um, yeah, I believe, download if remaining to be download, if with element download limit, mm, we're not doing any kinds of limit check, right? No element and element transfer. This is the class of the element. We use the element right here to get the mock stacking. Okay, and then checking downloaded element, which is 0 for now. Download amount, what we going to be download, remaining to be download, we're gonna use that too. So stacking element download limit, we're not using that. So our element will be remaining to be download is uh, uh, if parse array, which is this one. If we have parse array, our download amount or remaining to be download, is that right? Where's our uh, checking that to be load download amount? Our download amount and download amount. Then our remaining to be download is still fresh, right? Fresh, and it will be equal to our uh, download amount, right? And then our remaining to be download should be remaining to be download is 0 here. Is the one that check this one, uploaded element. So that will be our base for remaining to be download because we're downloading everything. But if we do have set the parameter for like let's say I just want 50 to be download, and then it will set the download amount like that, and then the download amount should be your uploaded element as well. So anything. So what you don't have downloaded element yet, and then when we are parsing that download amount, uh, we're changing it to the one that we set, and then the one that we set, we're setting to the remaining. So it will loop again if the stacking is right more than something, right? Just let's, for example, you have 800 at 800, and then no, you if you have downloaded a 10,000 and then you only have a stacking of 1,000, so you have 10 loop to be made. Okay, so max stack quantity and then we're not limiting anything. So oh yeah, I get max item quantity. So remaining to be download is not like this because um it's not to be like this. Okay, remove everything. Okay, and then with limit, if we don't with limit, we don't have any limit, so we're going down, right? Download element, which is amount the everything we have. All right, in the download, we're not gonna use this anyway. So max item quantity, which is 1000 only, we need that. Then remaining download, uh, download. Okay, okay. We don't need that too. So we determine our loop, how many. So for example, you have 10,000 uploaded in your inventory. I mean in your database. Then checking the max, which is 1000 only. Then you have 10 loops left, right? So first loop, we're looping it. If you have a slot, uploaded element, check it again. You uh, still have first iteration. You have uploaded element. If not, break no more element, and then limit reach. We're not gonna do this because we don't have any limit. Though we're going to be check this remaining to be download because I know that uh this will be do you call this redundant because for this element, but like I said, we're looping. So if you have 10 loops and you have 1000 remaining to be download, or let's say you just want to 5000 but you still have uh 10,000 there, so it will be just 5000, and it will loop until remaining to be download is 0, because remaining to be download here is the one that you set right here, right? So it will double check until the remaining upload uh checks until where until parang okay, and then goes down on that one. I know we do. Just make it comment for now. We just fix everything. So total download amount, this one shouldn't be negative at all, as that is okay right now. It's not going to be negative. So download amount minus uploaded element. Okay, so we always less than within uploaded element, right? Even though it's so much. So for example, we set a 10,000 right here, download amount, and then even though you are downloading 10,000 but you reach the uploaded element there, it won't be happening, all right? So you only minusing the download amount. No, we should be max that country. We should be using uh, 1000, right? The max quantity. But well, let's see if this one makes us hacks or more. Let's just try. Okay, let's just try the normal first, and then here we're minusing the downloaded element, and then remaining to be downloaded element just to be used here, so we know that since we don't have limit. Okay, let's try it first with the normal one, and let's see if we have some loopholes here. So we have some 1050 right there, and then when we download it, it should be 300 and make it 0. Okay, so slash download. We want to download everything, right? So it didn't download, didn't make. Yeah, it crashed. It crashed. What happened there? That it make it 0. Um, what we did there, and it didn't give us because it crashed. So let's check the reason why it crashed. Go to our log folders, drag it right there in the crash talk as well. Crash talk element basic formatter index format. We are formatting blah blah blah. That's why we crash. Render panel downloaded download callback. We did something wrong right here. This is 0 and 1, then 1 and 2. The formatter right about player, the player, and then element, and then map name, and then the function. Yeah, we correct that. We are correct. Here, download message. This one is wrong. I think we need to use no. Use only for that. Still using download amount. Hmm. Our formatter has wrong from 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 0 and 1, and then 1, 2. Element channels config 0, 1, 2. Will be 3, 0. I think that's good. I think the 3 there that caused issues. That's why I didn't notice the Discord being right. Didn't notice. You'll have 100 right there. Okay. Right here, if you can see formatter and then FMT didn't give us any good error, but I know that's the one. Okay, running our server again. This will take a little bit while. I know. I thought that this would be simpler because I have a cheat list, but it's not. Even me, it's really easy to get confused working with um, inventory in R. I don't know, maybe for just for me, loaded. Maybe next stuff that's my topic, the Discord linker. Okay, so and then waiting for no, that's not our logo. Just wait for the thing to be green. think it's good. Are we joining? Yeah, we're joining. Okay, so we're here. I'm just gonna do some cheat. I don't wanna die. So we're expecting to be download 300. Download 300. No uploaded element. Oh, I'm sorry. Because it did 0 earlier. Didn't for I forgot to change it to 300. So going back there for let's assume that we have 300 uploaded element like earlier. Then we want to download it without any limit. Boom! Just it's again. What is wrong with you, guy? Yeah, it downloaded anything and it make it 0, right? Look, it's making it 0. But then, oh man, it works again. What's our problem here? I think it's something right about here. Here we didn't, oh no, we didn't change anything. I want to make it, okay, let's try plus 0 debug, layer 0, this one run, I can assure about that. As you can see right here, player apparently downloaded 300 element on map scorched earth and download callback, which is the function we called it. And then this one goes out, and this is the next one. And it didn't send notification to ourself. Download message. Oh, I remove it. I think, I believe. Where's our function? Yeah. Um, this is download message, right? Download message. We have the same error here, like two, like this, and then we don't have limit. We're gonna remove this as well. Download limit. Okay. We just only have a no check limit. We're going back there, back to 0. Okay. And then download message is the same thing as Discord. 012, 012, because we're doing the default instead of the right thing. So right here is three earlier, earlier, and then before we compile this, we're gonna do to remove upload limit, download limit, because we don't have download limit anymore. And then check limit callback, and then download limit right here. Then check limit message, put it back like that. Then check download limit message. We're gonna remove that and check up check limit message. Put it back. And our command check up limit. Just check limit and then remove this one and then check upload limit. Go to your commands. Make sure we need to change. Don't have this anymore. Check download limit, check upload limit, check limit only, check limit, and then remove this one, check limit callback, check this. Okay, don't forget this one. Check limit CMD. Okay, so remove everything, check limit, make sure we are doing the command properly, which is debug, check trigger interval, that's okay, check upload limit CMD, and then points, we're checking the points, upload CMD is one, we're just getting upload count, um, yeah, the limit, right? Element upload limit, yeah. So check element upload limit, then check upload limit message, not this one, because we're not using anymore. This one, element upload limit, that's okay. Yeah, that should do. Check limit message, our Discord, and our just message, check uploaded message, check limit. Yeah, okay. Whew, just quiet. Okay. Let's try to compile this now. Oh, congratulations for 9 hours and 26 minutes. 30 minutes now. Almost. Alright, so try to run this. Okay, so checking our console. They're doing good. Let's see. Don't double click. So let's just wait for that to be green. Okay, now is it green now? No, not yet. Okay, so I think it's good now. Forgot to disconnect. Joining. Okay, so uh, okay, so we are expecting to download 300, but we don't have 300 yet because it starts to 0. Just to our error earlier. First, the server can do anything. Okay, so right now we do have. Actually, we do have 300, but it crashed. It didn't save. It didn't save the recent for our element. Um, so if you are download your character, it and your the server doesn't save yet. Oh, that's probably a problem for you. Right. Download. So we have 350 right here. Right now. Okay. and then this one makes it 0. Right now we're gonna try 1000. Okay, so on that 1000, refresh that. Make sure 1000. We only want to download 50 to make it 400. Make it 400. Then to our 1000 is negative. Oh no. Alright, we need to fix this. But it's fine. But I think we just need to make it absolute somewhere in our code. Hopefully, let's say, let's kind of do some negative 50, right? What? Negative 50. What is that say? Didn't do anything, right? So, download negative 50. No element uploaded. Which is negative. Oh my. Yeah, so we're gonna remove the negativeness here, please. Okay, we're just trying to negative. Yeah, didn't do anything much because it's negative, so it needs to be higher or negative. Okay, but the problem is we are doing negative 50 on our custom made. We're gonna check it from here. Download again and again if you have. Where are you? Here, a toy, and then I can do this. Uh, log, log, download amount, post your download amount. Okay, right about there. Okay. Okay, then remaining download is negative. For example, it won't happen because no more remaining download, so it just return you so you can cheat. All right, that's correct. But the problem is we are having some negative if we are minus like this because download amount should be our remaining download amount, which is 50, and then 50 then minus 1000, right? So for example, 50 minus 1000, then no, for example 50 minus 1000 we have 950 but negative, and it should be uploaded element. But for uploaded element, let's say we are trying to download 75 and then our uploaded element is only negative 25. I mean minus 25. We downloaded 50 instead. That's pretty much wrong. Even if we absolute it. So what we're gonna do there is we need to check the uploaded element remaining to be downloaded. So if we have remaining, if we have set this one 75, which means we need to check here, right? Because that's cheating. Maybe in our we'll try it on our upload as well. But checking here now, we are parse our upload amount. Oh yeah, this is directly, but around here we do have some checks. I believe this one. bottom not specified. Yes, this all of this. Right, we can just copy paste this. So just gonna remove this on the top, this right here, just to make it correct. Okay, download amount is equals to 0. We didn't not specified. Uh-huh. But it shouldn't be 0. Download amount equals our uploaded element. Hmm. Okay, so we're gonna revert some code here. It's not 0. Hmm. Maybe we can use the specified like this. No, the in. Where are you? This one. So it means you have a valid index, is which means you specified something, right? So when you are when you specify, not specify, when you specify, so we're gonna put in revert. So when we specified something, param specified, okay? So when we specified something, what we're gonna do is our download amount remaining to be download is greater than our uploaded amount, uploaded element, no, download amount greater than, and then our upload um, remaining to be downloads. We're gonna use upload amount. Else, we're gonna use remaining download. And if our download amount greater than the item max stack quantity, item no, uploaded element. Because if we didn't specify, if we specified the amount that we want, let's say 50, right? Our remaining to be download will be right here. It's the download amount, right? Because we specified it. That's the only thing, right? Then that will be it already. But if we specify not valid, that's the only time we will be changing the thing. Okay? So if we specified here from here, the remaining download will be our already um our download amount, which is right here, setting it down, download amount, right? So download amount 50. Oh, need to set it down. Okay, because we are using the download amount right here. So our download amount, we're gonna check if our uploaded element, if was downloaded amount, because we change it right here, specified one, not period not, and then if uploaded elements, we only get download element, right? The one that we set, which is 50. But if not, its download amount is trying to hack something. Like let's say uploaded element is 1000 and I'm trying to download more than that, right? And then we use download amount to be um because we still need to check the stacking, right? So it's if it's more than we're gonna check if it's more than we need to check the max stack from there, right? Uploaded element, we only need to check more than max stack equals if uploaded element more than max stack, we use the max stack. Oops, we use the max stack. Instead, if we are less than to the max stack, we can just use our all of our uploaded element if we didn't specify the amount that we want, right? So this is this much kind of confusing, but if you read it carefully, you will know it. Okay. Download amount, we specify our download amount. So that's our download amount already. And then if not, we didn't specify. So we are downloading everything. This should be, yes, we are downloading everything. So we don't have else because our, we specify, no, not specified, and then specified. And then we have to check if not specified, we're gonna download. Let's read it again. If we are not specified that we want to download, so it means we want to download everything from our database. But let's say our uploaded element is more than to our current download element. Um, so, but this one doesn't change, right? So this won't happen. It will false right away because we're not specified, right? We're not specified, right? So maybe this one is for this one. So let's say we don't specify this one, download amount should be our uploaded element, right? But the bad thing there is, let's say this one is more than your stack, which is 1000 plus plus plus, like that. 2000, for example, it should be two stack, right? Then we're gonna check if your download amount is more than to our item stacking. Is it max stack quantity, right? If it's more than to our max stack quantity, then what we're gonna do is max stack quantity. Use our max stack quantity instead to be our download amount. But for else, that one, we use the download amount instead because it's less than, right? This should be correct way. And then, so let's say 1000, we still have remaining because our remaining right here, if you can see our uploaded element. So if we have um, two stock, right about right here, you just minus that one, and it's still looping because we still have remaining all right here, and also um, for the fresh start, our download element, it should be uploaded element, and we're not disregard this for now, so it will count how many loop you need to be. So you have like two for loop, right? But if your changes right here, um, your download amount divided by less than max stock, and then will only have one loop if the download amount is less than, right? And then, for example, we specified what we want, and then download amount, then uploaded element. I think we shouldn't be do this because this one is handled um by this one already, because even though like we're just double checking if you are trying to exploit something, because uploaded element, you're more than you want our downloaded, let's say you put 1000 or 2000, right? And your only uploaded element is 1000, and then for example this one is true, uploaded element is more than the one that you download, then you use your download amount because it's valid. But if not, and then if not valid, gonna check again. um Download amount, let's say you want to download 1000 and your uploaded element, I know, less than, so it will be false. It will false right here in this case, because when you have a valid download, then download amount, right? And then if it's invalid, maybe we remove this because that's so confusing. Okay, so if you want to download um, more than your uploaded element, and then what you're gonna use, your uploaded element will be triggered, but then you need to set uh, still here, like let's say you have 2000 in your uploaded element, so it need to be checked to your max stack still, right? Hmm? Right, right. And then what you're gonna do is uploaded element, you're gonna check that if your uploaded element is greater than max stack. All right, then if it's greater than uploaded element, and then you use max stack instead. And then if false, less than, if you're just want to use uh if less your uploaded element is 1000, you can use 1000 because it's less than or equal, it needs to be low, or else it use max stack instead, or 999. Let's say you have 999 there, and then you just okay, then that's good. What else? And then I think that should do. And then our download amount minus our uploaded element right there. So this one should be corrected. So don't need to worry about that. Okay, let's do some cases. Make sure we have element right there. First thing, we're gonna do the normal thing, and then we'll try to exploit the command later on. Okay, so what we're gonna do is trying to download everything, right? Or maybe download 50 only. Download 50. Download. We have, maybe we just throw it away. 1000, right? So what we're gonna do is download only 50, right? What happened there? Success. Downloaded, but yeah, it came here in my inventory. I'm sorry, it's a double click it. Okay, so we have 1050. This one should be 900. but it did it. Negative 900 again. I don't know why it gives me negative 900. Maybe uploaded download amount should be 50, right? Let's try to what is happening, how much out. Okay, and then of course, just to make sure, one and two. Because I don't want to come back, so it gives me the right number. Or where to look right away. I just throw it away. Make sure you have 150 right here. Then apply, apply, finish, refresh, and forget to refresh. And then download 50. Download 50. So we do download 50, gives us number, and then it should be negative. That is very wrong. Okay, so we have something wrong here. Oh yeah. So it goes to the download amount 50, to download amount. We go to that path which is here. So not means specified, specified. And then why is giving us negative? First thing our upload element which is 950, and then our download amount, we specified it from down here which is 50, right? um 950, 950 is greater than to the download amount, yes, and then falls to download amount which is minus 50. And then why is our command where console, where's the share console, yeah, 50, right? And then yeah, this one is greater, so this should be uh right, yes. Okay, let's try it again. That one should be corrected by now. And okay, uh, save it, apply, finish, refresh. Did we crash? Is something loose here? Did we started? What is wrong? What is missing? Something in my gone. Just poof. I don't know. Anyway. Okay, so zero. You don't have. You're gonna download it. Download. Oh, you. I downloaded the whole 150, 950 because I didn't put anything. Okay, correct, right? 950. Okay. Um, apply. Okay. Then make sure you have 950. Download 50. That spoils you, alright. So 1050, and then this one, make sure it's 900, right? So what we're gonna do right now is trying to exploit the whole thing. Let's say 1000. We know that downloading without parameter is working. It's as you can see, we download 950 right earlier. But then right now we're trying to download 1100. Download 1100. We only did 1000 right there. But when we check it, it's 0. So it's only download 1000, right? Even though we're trying to exploit the download stuff, right? Then what we're gonna do, let's say you have 2000 2,200 right here. Apply, right? And then uh, download 2,200. Of course, you're going to download 2,200. But when you do 2,300, 2,200 right here. Perfect, right? So we're going to throw that away just to make it back because we're getting bigger. So 1,200, so more than our stock. Okay, right? And download 1,200 exactly as that. 1,200, and then when refresh it, 0. Right? So we do have correctly this one. So for example, we have 2,200 here, then we don't have a limit or you didn't specify um, element that you want to download. When you download everything, it will gives you 3,000. What happened right there? A negative. Oh yeah, it's more than on the stack. So we do have some problem. Okay, 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 okay. Another issue is we scam the system. For 1,000, like the full stack, right? So we know that my server stacking is set to 1,000. It might differ to you. Okay, so when we download that, download everything, right? Download everything. We do have 1,000. That's correct, right? But if we do over to our stacking, which is 1,500, for example, 1,500. Let's throw it away. Then download everything. We do have download 1.5. It will correctly do something, right? So see 1,500. It gives me another 500, and then it will have a negative 500 right here. So we're going here on not specified, so we're downloading everything, right? So our download amount should be fixed around here. Then maybe let's check our console. Okay, download amount. We go to 1,000, right? Download amount is another 1,000. Download download amount. Uploaded element DB. Why we are showing uploaded element? It shouldn't be showing that one. Not uploaded. We didn't upload anything. Maybe our fix right here. Let's we check. No. Update element DB. Go to definition. Uploaded element. Element updated should be like this only. So you don't confuse. You don't get confused. Okay, so going back to our issue, our downloaded amount, we can just remove this. This is fixed, right? So we set our download amount right here, which our um which is our uploaded element. So for example, we have where's our database? We have more than one stock, 1,500.